Hi everyone, it's Wynand here from New Zealand, and sharing a little bit of my journey with the amazing Elite University Trading family and what that has meant for me up to this point. Basically, when I was introduced to the program, I actually had some vague attempts to try and DIY and YouTube University myself towards trading with consistent successes of break even and loss. And there's a saying out there which says that 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. So I was a really solid stat adding to that lineage. But the short and the long of it is that after relentlessly pursuing what content I could find out there, I landed on Dr. Gregory McLeod's page on Elite University Trading, and the content from the word go just intrigued me. And I think I came from a point where I was really financially vulnerable, was really looking for something outside a 9 to 5, and as a matter of fact, I wasn't in a 9 to 5, I probably do about 50-60 hours a week, and which is not a balanced life at all. So I was really desperate, looking something that could take a step closer to financial freedom and generating some legacy with that. And what I liked about the program when I actually joined Greg's program right off the bat was how he simplified the approach, how he almost broke it down into a recipe. And I still recall quite vividly when we had our intro call, he asked me a couple of questions around, can you count to 4? Can you do your ABC, and the up to C, and green and red? And I thought that's pretty basic, should be able to get going with that. Which I did, and starting off really from absolute novice background, working slowly but steadily through the program, I managed to work to a point where my success rate as a percentage wins was in excess of 90%, and I could maintain that quite consistently. My initial start was a bit shaky, and I had about 40 to 60% wins, but just kept on chiseling away. So I guess as a really super busy professional, you could settle back and say there is no good time to start. There's so many hours committed week in and week out to sit in a job and being financially vulnerable, hitting your ceiling in your career growth. This opportunity just had so much potential. I was less skeptical when I saw it, maybe a little bit overshadowed by my desperation to find something else that could be quite meaningful, which this absolutely definitely is. It's a life-changing opportunity for me, my wife, and for us as a family. And Greg is amazing, especially since the first intro is off the base of mindset and breaking things down, making it easy to digest. And I just think he is a phenomenal person, an expert coach, and it's an extreme privilege, if not an answer to prayer, to be able to be part of this really elite family of learning how to trade. Thank you.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!